Buongiorno a tutti, and let's continue our series of Italian language for level A1. And the textbook we are referring is Nuovo Espresso Italiano. In the last episode, we talked about unit number 3, lezione 3, which means buon appetito. And there we talked about articles. Okay, so in today's episode, we will talk about more beverages. We will talk about some vocabulary. We will also jot down related vocabulary will be there. Okay. And few related exercises we will do. Okay. So here the second topic is che bevande sono. Come si chiamano queste bevande in italiano? Scrivi i nomi vicino ai disegni. So this one is about here. See, there's lots of beverages given, but I will not going to limit ourselves to them. We will jot down more. Okay. And we will see, first of all, we will learn the very basic ones. Then we will go for the important ones, and then the rest of which are given here. Okay, so let us first understand the word. Let us first write. Let us first understand the meaning. What's written here? Okay, bevande sono. Bevande is actually plural for la bevanda. La bevanda, which means drink, and its plural is le bevande, which means drinks. Okay, so this is our kind of in heading. Okay. So first, very important is l'acqua. L'acqua is water. Okay, so water is l'acqua. You can repeat, you can pronounce after me. Another one, alongside water, we also prefer juice. Yes, we often go for juice. Yeah, so juice is called as il succo. Succo, it is juice. La birra is beer. L'acqua minerale. L'acqua minerale. Obviously, it is a mineral water. Il vino is wine. Il vino. Then we have l'aranciata. 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 It is, we call it like a orange juice, okay, or orangeade, okay. La limonata. Limonata. It is lemonade. Again, il caffè. Just let me. Okay. Yeah, till now here we have. So another one is about coffee. So coffee and tea, that we already we have just covered many times. So I have to just find the accent mark. Actually, this is not given here. Okay, so il caffè, it is coffee. And obviously for tea, again, we have tè. It is tea. Caffè, il tè. Caffè and tè, they both are not going to have any plural. I mean, there will be no plural endings. Yes. Caffè, tè. La bevanda, l'acqua, il succo, la birra, l'acqua minerale, il vino, l'aranciata, la limonata, il caffè, il tè. Okay, so these are all the very basic bevande, very basic drinks. Okay, bevande sono, what kind of drinks are they? So these are the very basic bevande or la bevanda which we drink. Okay. Another one is la soda. This one is left. It is soda. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Okay. Now, for if you want to say that, yeah, more are there. Okay, let us write. Il latte. Latte. Latte is milk. La spremuta. Okay, this one is a kind of a fresh juice. La bibita. Bibita. Bibita is a soft drink. Lo spumante. Spumante, these are like the sparkling wine, sparkling wine. Spumante. Okay, now two words I will introduce here for like if the drink is cold. Okay, so cold is called as freddo. Freddo. Now this is cold, and for hot we use caldo. Caldo. It is hot. Okay. Now both these are adjectives, and they will follow their respective nouns and the plural endings. Okay, and all those are like quite a bit similar plural formations which we have covered. So if I want to say that, for example, beverages are cold. Le bevande sono fre. Now it will not be fredde. Le bevande sono fredde. The beverages or the drinks, yeah, the drinks are cold. Bevande sono fredde. For example, tea. So it would be il tè, il tè è caldo because it is feminine. So the tea is hot. Il tè è caldo. Le bevande sono fredde. Il tè è caldo. The tea is hot. Le bevande sono fredde. The drinks are cold. So already we have the hot chocolate. So hot chocolate is called as la cicola, cico, yeah, cicolata. La cioccolata calda, calda. Cicolata, la cicolata calda. La cicolata calda, which means the hot chocolate. Caldo, calda. La cioccolata calda is hot chocolate. Il bevande sono fredde. Il tè è caldo. Okay? So these are the few beverages we talked about. Now we also have, in the next episode, we will talk about, yeah, here, okay, here a few more words are there. Let's just jot down them as well, okay? L'aranciata we already did, okay? Then we also have aperitivo, ok? Bicchiere di latte, l'acqua minerale, lo spumante, spremuta di pompelmo, cappuccino, la birra. Okay, there is a word called as pompelmo, okay? Il pompelmo is a grapefruit. So I'm just writing it as an extra word here. Il pompelmo. It is a grapefruit. Aperitivo is again a kind of an Italian drink. So we should just focus on what is like quite a bit. Bicchiere. Bicchiere is a cup or it's a glass. Okay. Il bicchiere di latte. Okay. And latte is milk. Yeah. Conosci il nome di altre bevande? Conosci il nome italiano di altre bevande? Scrivi che sotto tutte le bevande che conosci, poi confrontati con un compagno. So it is about conosci il nome italiano di altre bevande, which means do you also know some other beverages, I mean, not Italian per. Scrivi che sotto tutte le bevande che conosci. So you have to write here. So sotto is tutte le bevande che conosci, sotto, which means under, okay? So write down under all the beverages you know, poi confrontati con un compagno. So you can also take help of your friends, okay? Already, like most of them, we already jotted down, okay? Yeah. In the next episode, we will talk more about the plurale. Okay, we will talk about con la crema or con la marmellata, and we will also learn the conjugation of the verb prendere and vorrei. Okay, so yeah, I think that's enough for this episode. And if you had enjoyed the session, please hit the like button and share this episode. This is absolutely everything is free of cost. Subscribers are the only fee which is needed. So please, if you want to learn Italian language, do support my work. We will meet each other in the next episode. Till then, arrivederci, e ci bella.